Hi, and welcome to my digital storytelling presentation. My name is Victoria Ingram, and my presentation is on my classroom roles in my first grade classroom. My first role is to be respectful of others. This needs to be addressed in the classroom as well as the playground. In the pictures, we see students who are respecting each other while they're working, and on the playground when they're taking turns and watching everybody have a great time. My second role is keeping hands to ourselves. When we're in line, our hands are behind us, or maybe at our sides, our eyes are forward, and maybe we have a bubble so we are always aware of where we are going. Even in the classroom, it's important to keep our hands to ourselves. When we're working and working hard on our own, we really don't want people putting hands on our face. So it's important to always remember to keep hands to ourselves and on our own paper. Number 3 is be ready to learn. In the picture, we see all the students who have all their supplies ready to be successful during their school day. Number 4 is to listen to and follow the directions in the classroom. Maybe I'll say class, 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 and everybody responds yes, yes, yes. This tells me we are listening with our ears and our eyes are watching so we can follow all the directions that we need to be successful for our lesson. Number 5 is we need to raise our hand to speak. This is so nobody shouts over the teacher or another student, and a quiet hand means you have something to add to our conversation, or maybe you have a question on what we need to do next. Number 6 is practice your manners. Good manners matter. We listen to instruction, we keep our hands to ourselves, and we always remember to say please and thank you when we need to. Also, practice good hygiene, cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough, and if possible, share whenever there's an opportunity. Number 7 is always do your best. Every day, all we ask is that you try your absolute best during your schoolwork and during your own time when you are working so very hard on our learning content. Number 8 is try new things. Every day we're going to be trying new things, and it's okay because learning new things is exciting and it gives power to our brains. Number 9 is believe in yourself. We all learn differently, so it's important to come to school with a positive attitude and test your strengths in new things. And last but not least, work hard and have fun. We're all in this together, so we can all be successful. Thank you for watching, and let's have a wonderful school year in first grade.